Mr. Ibrahim Sumola, who celebrated 15 years anniversary on air as a presenter, described his journey in Nta Ijebu as motivating and inspiring. He said though the journey wasn't easy, but he was able to scale through with the support and encouragement he received from people around him.
I can say Nta Ijebu has been my school of thought, because my first experience on air was at Nta Ijebu at the year 2010, which in fact I can say that's where I learned a lot of things as far as this broadcasting is concerned, because I cannot write the story of my life in this broadcasting without Nta Ijebu.
Commissioner 1 of Ogun State Civil Service, Mr. Adebo described the celebrant as hardworking and resilient, who will go extra mile to achieve his dreams. Chairman of Odogbolu Local Government, Lade Jobi Shuaib Adebayo, while congratulating the celebrants, prayed for more greater years.
He's very jovial, always available. ABC is ready to help anybody with promoting the event.
It's worth it, because ABC has been someone that has been very versatile in terms of media probes. And today that is celebrating its 15 years anniversary, I want to pray God will continue to wax him stronger.
In his words, the leader of Association of Nigeria Broadcasters, Akinyemi Olatoye, said the celebrant's humility attracted him. Receiving the award on behalf of the officer in charge of Nta Ijebu, the administration officer, Mr. Dayo Famoyegun, congratulated the celebrant and added that the award will encourage the station to work harder in its disseminating, entertaining, and educating the public.
I'm so glad that we received the award. It shows how hardworking we are in Nta Ijebu.
Mr. Sumola was a former presenter and caster in Nta Ijebu.